Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 16 Pro and let me share with you how to change a system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. So let's just tap on this gear icon, and here we have to scroll all the way down just like that and go to System and Update, which is also with gear icon. Then tap on the third option, Language and Region, and here tap on Edit. So this blue option, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of available languages. So all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on the plus icon next to it. So I'll pick this one. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to set the new language as a default one. So just tap on this first option, which is yes. And wait a second, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can quickly reorder them and thanks to it change the language. So tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Tap on the first option also to change the language, and we've got English applied. If you'd like to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.